Not that you're ever gonna have to assemble a giant charcuterie tree, but in case you do, you're gonna love this tip. What's shakin' bacon? I'm Joni Simon, welcome to my studio. And like I said, we were recently doing a shoot and we were faced with having to make a 2-foot by 3-foot charcuterie tree. Unfortunately, I didn't have to go it alone. I had Brendan and Alexa here to help me out to make it happen. But the hard part is, how do you get it into the tree shape? Because assembling an epic board of noshing things is hard enough, but then let alone like getting the perfect Christmas tree shape. Well, fortunately, Brendan is much smarter than I am. And he's like, Joni, can you do that nifty little like overlay feature that you do on the screen when we're in Capture One? And instead of a crop guide, can we put a Christmas tree in there? I'm like, why didn't I think of that? Of course we can. Now, if you're like, what overlay feature are you talking about? I have a video all about it, including all of my typical crop guides for you to download. So you can check that out. It's linked here. But that's exactly what we did. I found a tree shape on Google that we both agreed would be a good one to work from, loaded it into Capture One under the Capture Tool tab where it says Overlay, and then just adjusted the size to fit the screen. And then what that did is then as Brendan and Alexa were putting down the meats and the cheeses and the accoutrement, they were able to see the shape of the tree on this screen. So they built the spread to fit inside the lines. But then the great part is, then once we're all done, I take the shot, take the overlay off. We've got a perfectly shaped charcuterie tree, super easy. So extra kudos to Brendan for thinking of that one, because this is why I say it is so helpful to work with other people on set, because they're gonna have ideas and think of things that you aren't gonna think of. So big props to both Brendan and Alexa for making this beautiful charcuterie tree come to life. It was definitely a lot of fun, and we had a lot of fun eating it afterward. But now I gotta wonder, what's the next shape of food or idea that we need to execute in charcuterie form? Let me know in the comments. But thanks as always for stopping by. Hope you have a fantastic day. You stay out of trouble. I'll see you soon, all right? Bye.
Charcuterie.
Charcuterie tree? 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 Charcuterie tree?